Back now on Triad today, and I'm excited about having these three gentlemen with me. Two of our good friends have been on the show many times before, David Daggett, Griff Shuler, attorneys with Daggett, Shuler, and they have brought along a special guest, the mayor of Clemens, Mike Rogers, and we appreciate all three of you guys being here. I'm going to start with David. Well, before I get to David, Mayor, how long have you been mayor? What was the first year you went in?
Well, the first year I went in was 2011 as a write-in candidate as council member. And this is my second term as mayor of the Village of Clemens.
Write-in candidate. So folks at home, just remember that. You've got it's your right to vote in all these elections, and you can write people in. All right, David, let me start with you. Let's remind folks of your connection to triathlons and tell us about the big event we're going to do today.
Well, I've been an avid triathlete for a long time. We believe I'm the only person in the world who's done triathlons every year for 43 consecutive years.
Wow.
So back in 2016, one of my very dear friends who I literally traveled the world with racing, Richard Smiley, died of brain cancer. A couple years later, the memory kind of fades, but mine hadn't. At that point in time, we had no triathlons locally.
That's right.
And so wanted to start an event. So we started the Smiley Triathlon.
Right.
In honor of Richard Smiley. Make me tear up.
No, I think that's great. And we'll put up on screen in just a few minutes. We'll talk about when it is. It's later in
So we reached out to the Clemens West neighborhood to host it, which Mayor Rogers actually lives in that neighborhood.
Right.
They've been tremendous supporters, and it's been great for us. And I think it's been great for Clemens.
Absolutely. Mayor, go ahead and piggyback on that. What's so special about the Clemens West area?
Oh, Clemens West is a wonderful neighborhood. When we first moved out there 32 years ago, we were riding down the road, and there's white fence going down the road, and there's a swimming pool. My son was hanging out the window. We're going to live here, Dad. And I thought, well, that settles that. We know where we're going to live.
Yeah, I did a similar thing with my parents about 40 years ago, but they just left me at the place and went on to the next location. Griff, we're going to, in a minute, like I said, I'm going to put up on screen all the great stuff that's going to be at the big event coming up. One of them is like a kids event. So I was thinking about you guys. You and David have done a lot for kids over the years. Why do you support something like this? Why is it so important?
Well, through David's leadership, this weekend is special because you have the Smiley Triathlon on Sunday for the adults, but on Saturday is the Kids for Kids Triathlon. And the main focus of that is to introduce triathlons to kids in a very safe environment. Obviously, for David and me and Daggett Shuler, we're all about kids and youth, and in particular, the health of youth. And being able to introduce them to triathlons in a very safe environment with a lot of great volunteers to make it a very fun event for them is really special.
Mayor, I'm just wondering, I saw an email, I guess it was either from David or Griff, something about a special proclamation that you guys did?
Yes, I read a proclamation recently at the council meeting and supporting the Smiley Triathlon Festival.
That's great.
Which is a great event in Clemens, and it's a community event. We have over 200 volunteers for the triathlon, and over 750 athletes participate in it. And it's a wonderful event, and we're so blessed to have David Daggett come in here and put that on.
Athletes are asking me for hotel rooms this year.
Gosh.
We have athletes from around the Southeast. We have a family coming from Canada to do our races.
Now, I'm going to do this before I run out of time because I'm running my mouth here. Up on the screen, Smiley Triathlon Festival. The Kids for Kids, as Griff was saying, that's on July 27th. And then the Smiley Sprint Triathlon's on July 28th. Clemens West neighborhood, the website is smileytriathlonfestival.com, where you can check that out. And also hope you'll visit daggettshulerlaw.com or call the guys if you should need them, 724-1234. David, good for everybody. Can everybody come out?
Yeah, and the mayor and I are wearing finisher medals. I gave him the kids medal. I've got the adult medal, but these are very high quality, very nice. We give everybody a championship experience.
Man, you got a lot of good stuff. Water bottles, so people can get all this stuff. Will there be refreshments and stuff out there?
Yes, we have a beverage sponsor, food sponsors. It's going to be great.
And finish line, Daggett Shuler team will be there welcoming all the kids and all the adults.
And if David doesn't win, for example, I will write in his name in honor of the mayor. Mayor, thanks for doing this.
Well, thank you for inviting me. It's an honor to be here.
All right. We'll be right back after this.